Hi, I'm Joanna Osborne and I'm partner at Fine & Country, Sutton Coldfield. I'm here today to show you this wonderful house set in 1.5 acres, very flexible accommodation. It's got 5 bedrooms, a gym and an annex barn, self-contained, with another 1 bedroom.
The heart of the home is a large kitchen, dining area and family room. An abundance of light streams through from the many windows and French doors open onto the garden terrace. Painted wooden kitchen units are topped by a sleek worktop with a central island and breakfast bar peninsula, which divides the kitchen from the casual dining area, followed by a stunning family room with vaulted ceiling. There are also 2 large reception rooms currently being used as a formal drawing room and a relaxed cinema room. A ground floor bedroom with ensuite shower room makes a perfect gym. The oak staircase leads up to a large landing. Double doors open onto a grand master suite with walk-in dressing area and large luxury ensuite bathroom. A second double bedroom with beautifully fitted ensuite shower room has fitted wardrobes and views over the delightful rear gardens. The property boasts a substantial plot of approximately 1.5 acres. The delightful detached barn is a 2-storey self-contained accommodation with ground floor sitting room and fitted kitchen and a first floor large bedroom and ensuite bathroom. This building could also be used as a home office or games and cinema room.
I hope you've enjoyed your tour. If you'd like any further details or any questions, then please contact me. Contact details are to follow. It's joanna.osborne@fineandcountry.com. Look forward to hearing from you.